How can we show paraprofessionals how much we appreciate them? Hey, special educators, I'm Jennifer from Positively Learning, and I'm so glad that you found me here. So, this is going to be a very quick video. I'm going to be sharing some simple, easy ideas that you can put into place right away. Now, as I'm sharing these ideas, feel free to substitute paraprofessional for any support staff, co-workers, co-teachers, all those people who help us get through every school day. So I'm going to scroll down this blog post. I will be sure to link it below, and I promise I'm not going to read it to you. Just going to give you some highlights, but if you want some more details, I'll put the link in the description. I wanted to show you these free sticky notes. This is a free download. I will link this as well. Be sure to grab it. All right, so in these sticky notes, there are 6 different designs that print out on one page. So if you want to print those on sticky notes, they're ready to go. Now, if printing on sticky notes sounds like a lot right now, there's also a format where you can just print it on a piece of paper, cut them out, easy cut, super simple. I like to use that version, and what I do is I choose maybe 5 different colors of paper, feed them through, and then I cut them all out so I have a stack of notes. I can use them at any time. Now, I don't know if you knew, but there is actually a formal Paraprofessional Appreciation Day. I think it's in April. I'm going to have to double check on that. But I always say, like, why wait? It's those unexpected moments where you show that appreciation, that token of thanks, that I think just means so much versus the expected times. All right, so what are you going to do with these notes? Here's a couple of ideas. One is, my favorite one, is to attach it to some kind of treat. And my favorite thing to receive and to give are K-cups. A little sticky note, one of those cut out notes can just go on a K-cup, and there you go. That fits my budget. Plus, I'm obsessed with coffee, and everyone I worked with seems to love it just as much. Another idea I once did for fall is to use apple cider K-cups, and then I think one time I did hot chocolate K-cups. But there might be another yummy snack that your paras love if you've done a paraprofessional survey at the beginning of the year, or if you didn't, it's not too late to do it now, where you can just kind of see like what their favorite school appropriate beverages or favorite snack, and you could use those. Another idea is to make some kind of display. This works especially well if you have printed on different colors. And you can have some kind of display on the door, on a desk, on their locker, if you use that for storage or something. But that would be just such a fun thing to walk into. Oh, I should mention, by leaving these little tokens of appreciation, I love to do it anonymously, although I'm pretty sure they know it's me. But what I would do is if I was leaving the classroom last, I would set it up so they could walk into it the next day, or if I was arriving before them. I'd always like it just to be kind of a surprise as they walk in. If you're not doing the snacks, you could always substitute a school supply. I know my favorite school supply would be hand sanitizer right now, but one year I did those, not the lanyard, but it's like the coil keychains. They come in like 3-pack, pretty inexpensive. I did a note on those, and that was just something that makes the day a little bit easier, that keys are where they need to be, or your school ID or whatever you're carrying. All right, and then another idea is just a handwritten note. Turning that sticky note over and writing a handwritten note. Yes, it takes a little bit more time. I like these to be more in the moment, so not too formal, but maybe you're addressing like a tough time that they helped you out with that day or the day before or the week before, or just something else that you noticed in the moment. And then the last way to show appreciation, which I know is going to sound like, did you really have to write this? But yes, I did. It's just to say a simple thank you. The school day is so busy, and of course we feel it and we mean to say it, but it gets away from us and it's not intentional. I know that what I'm really famous for is always waiting for the moment to say thank you, and of course that moment does not occur. All right, so I will link this up if you want to go back and just read a couple more details, or pin it or save it for later. I have one more thing to show you for appreciation gifts. Now, this could be for teachers and for paras. I created this, I have an Etsy store, and I created some para gifts. Of course, this is going to be much more formal if you're waiting for a larger event, but I created some para ones because I couldn't find them. So let me just show you real quick. Right here, I'm clicking on it, is a notebook that has para heart on it, and then I have some t-shirts right there. I also have some mugs and some tote bags. So something that's just kind of neat to have. So I hope those ideas helped. Be sure to check out the links and download those free sticky notes, and I will be back with some more tips. Thanks for watching.